Hi, I'm John Buckheit, back with Fire Engineering with another Training Minutes, and we're going to take a look at how to defeat a specific type of lock. And what we're going to be looking at is these type of push ball locks. They're very common on places of public assembly, churches, schools, anywhere that the code is required. And what can happen is if you get one that is a double door like this, it's possible to take a specialty tool, which normally I don't like a specialty tool, but in this instance we're going to go with it. And you can slip past this and do absolutely no damage and get in. And this can have tremendous advantage. You might get a response ticket, automatic alarm late at night. You know that the probability of it being a real emergency is maybe low, but it demands investigation. So you've done your perimeter search, maybe you've examined the roof area, and now this would just be another tool in your arsenal. You could actually get in and make an examination. So based on the response, I already expect maybe that I have these type of locks. I look at the building. I see I have double doors. So I know I can maybe call for this tool. The apparatus is right there. We're going to come in. This tool specifically was homemade, but you can get any type of durable hardened steel, narrow and bend it. And then we'll show you actually how we're going to get into this lock right now. Billy, you want to give that a shot? Timmy's providing a slight spread for this door. Billy inserts the tool, slides it down. He's able to get that push bar, and we're in, just that easy. Another benefit to this tool is when we're done doing our investigation, we can reestablish security and be on our way. So again, normally I don't like a one-use tool, but this one, in this instance, does the job nicely. Thank you, and this has been another Training Minute.